off vlog today because I'm out again having a ka'a. So it's nice and sunny out here in Sydney today, guys. I'm here in Blacktown. So I just wanted to say howdy ho, hi hi hi. Yeah, quite a lot of people are here today. I heard that there's some coronavirus around, but I don't know. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how many people are here with no mask, like me. But anyway, yeah. Look. See? Quite a few people. Quite a few people. Beautiful day, look. Look at the sun. Bam! Yeah. So I'm just waiting out here because my children are getting them some Taco Bell, and Taco Bell is right over there. So I'm just waiting here for my daughter because she's going to go and catch a train to go to work. She's going to go and catch the, where is she? I don't see, oh there she is, she's over there. Okay, she's in Taco Bell. Don't panic people, don't panic. Yeah, beautiful day. Where is she? Yeah, so beautiful. I'm just looking out there like you guys. There's the train station right there. Where? Am I pointing right? Are you going? You're going now. What did you get?
Chinese or Thai.
That's for your lunch?
Yeah.
Okay, have a good day at work. Bye, Hope. Okay, she's gone to work, so we're gonna go inside. Come on then, let's go. What are we gonna do? Oh, what did you get? Oh. Taco Bell. I'm gonna go get me a drink. Can I have the mango coconut, please?
What size?
I'll have a large, thanks.
What topping do you like?
Okay. Which one is the coconut or these ones?
This is lychee, this is coconut.
Okay, can I have a coconut, please? So how many toppings can I have?
60 cents for one topping. You can choose as many as you can, but we recommend to choose one or two. Otherwise, we don't have enough space for a drink.
Okay. Okay, I'll have the coconut, and can I have that jelly, that dark jelly thing there, please?
The herbal jelly.
Yeah, this one here.
The black one is herbal jelly.
Yeah, and then the one next to it, and that's it.
So you want a jackfruit and the herbal jelly as well?
Yeah, and this. So that's free. Yeah, I got this drink. No, down the bottom it's got coconut, and then I've got that, I don't know what kind of jelly. What else did you get? Mr. Kikilo. Yeah. Oh, yum. When you tell them to cut it in half? Well, you want to eat it from the beginning. Anyway, so I'm in Target now, guys. I'm gonna look around, okay? Probably not buy anything, but can you see my scarf? Someone wants to look at that. Nah, it is nice. I would buy something like that for the bathroom. Oh, it's nice and light too. Cup of tea. You're right. This is the one I want. Oh, this is heavier than that one. Arthritis. Who thinks this kettle's nice? See? Hello. this before. Imagine walking around with a handbag like this. Huh? Oh, I wanted that kettle. I wanted that. Yeah, I like the seafood one. There's one in Big W, $79.
Yeah, I need to buy her. She needs. Oh,
Hope
she needs so many.
one of these. But then when you open the door, it's sort of like crunches of
No,
that.
just her shower mat. Not bad.
She likes these ones.
No, I know that bought that, and then I shared it.
Oh yeah, when she
Is
steps on the shower.
this the one? Yeah, get her this one.
Whoa.
Oh, I could get it for Grandma. How much is it? Yeah, I'll get this one
You
for
get it
Grandma.
inside more bodies inside too.
This one. Okay. Wait, that's a different colour. Okay, I'll get you guys one too.
Yeah, it's actually
Grey one
nice.
if you're gonna get one. The grey, the light grey.
That one.
Oh,
That one.
Yeah, that one looks dirty.
oh, so I'm not buying this.
One for the inside house, one for Grandma. Where's my drink?
What about Hope?
Hello, bye. For some stoler it. Hey, go and pay for it. Alright. What is it?
Mum, does it just say so you?
Are you paying by card? Yeah. Oh, my drink, get it up. Oh, sorry.
How did you help me?
It's running out of my arms, my hands. Yeah. I got a boom boom.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh.
Anyways, Mr. 100% Ronda. So you two go and court, then Ronda comes in.
Yeah. Gotta go.
I need that pants.
And these are like,
Is there a couple?
Look, this one's $80. It's mainly like 100.
See if there's an XL on the pants. If there's not, then bump on.
Oh, there's 2XL, yo.
Two.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
That'll be too baggy.
Needs to be one.
I don't need the pants. I just want the top.
There's only 2XL, no 1XL.
Mum, you want to get black?
Yeah. I like that color. Where is black? Is there black? Yeah, you're right. Black is better. I am, yeah.
That's a sweater. Is it a sweater?
Over here. I was walking outside from TK Maxx and a guy named Olive walks up and says hello and says that his wife watches my channel and her name is Julia. So hello Julia. Okay, I just want to say hello. Nice to meet your husband. He's pretty friendly. So I like people like that. Friendly, don't be shy. I don't bite. Okay, bye now. I just wanted to say that. It was a good good topic for my shopping. Oh yeah, see that even rhymes. Oh cute. I got asked to make the everything sauce, guys, but it's not everything because my daughter said, Mom, you didn't put everything that's in the pantry in it, so I thought, whatever. Okay, so I thought it's an anything sauce, guys. Yeah, so you can, like put anything you want. But this is what I mainly put in what I was making for me and my prawns and my seafood. So stop it. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys, okay? Because it's not everything sauce. Geneva. You're going to need this block of butter, okay? Don't know what size it is. It's 250 grams or whatever. But anyway, this is only for a small, so I chopped up onion, garlic. You can use either the powder one or this one. This one jumps around, so you can use that one. So you can go back there. I'd rather put that in once there's liquid in there, you know, so it doesn't jump around. Because if you're only frying it with butter, yeah, it does all that yahooing and coming out of the pan. Okay, so I've got a all-purpose season powder there, seasoning powder, all-purpose one. Got an onion powder and smoked paprika. Smoked paprika, and then chicken stock. So I need a little box here, okay? So I need a little box. Yeah, 500 ml. And chicken powder. I'm gonna put that in instead of putting any because this does not have that much, you know, like salt in it. So guys, yeah, come here, girl, Faye. Look how I push it back there, and it's all alone. So this is it, guys. This is my anything sauce. And what's that over there? Get over there. The onion. Oh yeah, so I'm going to be cooking some prawns. I got the garlic prawns, I know, for the extra flavor, you know. So guys, screenshot this if you want to make it. There we go. So, okay. So I'm going to put the powder and I'll put the butter in there, then my wooden spoon, then I'm going to fry up the onion. Get this, fry up the onion. It's good to have stuff ready, you know, so you can get it done fast. Because guys, this is showing you guys that's been asking me to make the anything sauce. Yeah, so it was a lot of shopping today, guys. A lot of shopping. And my good boy son, he bought me some Adidas tracksuit, top and bottom. If it was me, heck no, I'm not gonna buy two. One is enough. Pricey enough. Anyway, bring all these guys over here. You know guys, if you have this in your pantry, I'm telling you, you can use it on all your cooking, all of it, okay? Because it's really, really flavoursome, okay? Do you hear me? Okay, good. Good when I have good students, you know, they listen to the teacher. Yeah, girl, Faye. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. You guys are awesome. Anyway, should be hot enough. Yes, yes, yes. So, you know, when I throw this butter in, it's got to go like so. So I better chop up this butter so it can, yeah, I already washed my hands, guys, so in case you guys think, oh, she has to wash her hands. I really want to know who said that. Because I do wash my hands. Ew. The last thing you want to do is cook with horrible hands. Anyway, I shouldn't make all of it, all this butter, because I'm only going to make it just to show you guys. So I'm not going to put all this, guys. I'm just showing you guys for example. You know what, laughing Samoa said, for example, he's awesome, I love, hey, Tofinga's married, but I love watching Tofinga. Yeah, it was a lot of shopping today, and even my poor feet was hurting, but I was just walking around like it's not hurting, like I didn't want anyone to see me, you know, like walking around, whaalonga for yalele, whaalonga kua la masofa vai sa valia. Hiya. Guys, You can't, you know, there's 3 of us, don't want to, you know, make the team look weak. Geeking out, bye. Anyway, you want to, you know, really soften the onions, really nice and soft, and so when you eat your food, anyway, that's my drink. And I got me a strawberry boost. How rude, how can I not share? Cheers guys. Now I feel alive, I feel alive, I feel alive, I feel alive. Oh, it was so awesome to meet Olive today. Yeah, so it was so nice. You know, I was walking out, following my kids. Next minute, meet up with Olive. So he was saying to me that his wife Julia enjoys watching the videos, right? My videos. And then that she had just finished watching one recently, I don't know, today or yesterday. But I was thinking, oh for awesome, oh for awesome. Just don't tell David Tua on me that I said that. Okay, that oh for awesome thing, you know. I don't want him when he sees me and going, dunk, you know. Dunk, dunk. I don't want that. No. So, do you see how much garlic I put in there? Guys, if you love garlic, use up this whole thing. If you don't, just use a little bit that I added in. So, see how it's got liquid, so it doesn't make the garlic, you know, bounce around, make it really cheeky and jump out of the pan. You know, like you just want to get it, fussy it or something, you know. So everything's looking nice and soft. Oh, it looks nice and yellow. So I'm going to add in onion powder, the all-purpose seasoning. That's why last time you guys saw it had a bit of orangey. Yeah, well that's why. And then smack paprika. Smoked paprika. Yeah. You can put as much as you like, it's up to you guys. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of that chicken, whatever you call it, powder, chicken powder. See, look at this. Look at this, guys. Why? See, I'm not stirring it straight away. Just leaving it to hang up. Okay, stirring it up. Oh, the onion's looking nice and soft too. Oh, look at that rich color, look. Nice. Yeah, you know what guys? Since garlic powder's here, I might as well throw that in. Why not? Because that garlic powder's going to have issues. And go, what about me? It isn't fair. So, stir it a little bit more. Oh, it looks delicious. It looks delicious just like that. You can just put that on top of your chicken. You know, you fry some chicken up or boil some chicken. Put this with it. Or, another thing, you can have chicken schnitzel, fry it up, put this on top, sprinkle some cheese, put it in the oven. Bob's your auntie. Okay, I want the onion a little bit softer than that. Oh man, the shopping today. I hardly go out shopping anymore because I just want to keep my mum home safe. Not out there because I hear that there's some coronavirus still happening. I know. I really feel sorry for all the people that's been affected by the corona. So bad, man. But I'm gonna add this chicken stock, guys. Not all of it, probably just half, and I tip some of it down and just pretend you didn't see it. I'll wipe it up after. Yeah, so you add the chicken stock, guys, and that sort of breaks down the butter, so it's not too, you know. So you add that in. You can add in as much or as less as you want. Okay, guys? It's up to you. But what I do, I always taste my food before it's on the table. Am I good or am I no? Stop it. Okay. That actually tastes beautiful. See, that's all it is. No magic. It's just adding in whatever you want. Now I'm just thinking, need a bit of parsley, but I didn't get that ready. Or coriander. You can put whatever you want. It's your sauce. You can do it. Your taste buds. Some people will even put chili in it, and that'll be nice too. But I'm not into chili. No, chili and I are not friends. Yeehaw! Okay. So guys, this is it. This is it. Have a look. Does it look good? Looks red. Fire red. Like... Anyway, okay, so I'll move that out of the way. Smoking. Anyway, time to cook the prawns. And it's got garlic and parsley. Oh well, there we go. No parsley for the sauce, but parsley in there. So I'm going to drop it in there. Okay, small frying pan. Hey, stop it. Okay, look. Don't look at that bottle. Hide behind you. Yeah. Oh, small frying pan. Guys, I didn't know where the bigger frying pan is, so I just thought it's only a matter of cooking it through, and then we gotta eat it. Eat it, eat it. Don't you wanna feed it? Oh, I know. I love Michael Jackson. You know when Michael Jackson passed away? Oh, it was the saddest day. I know when my dad did. Anyway, I'm going to put some butter in here. Yeah, lawa nga. Over baka foi. Yeah. Kalo ako loya. Loya means like you feel like sick when you have too much butter. You know the French? They love the butter. Hey, was that Italia? My accent, trying to do the oui, butter. Oh, that sounded like French straight away. Oui, you want the butter? Oh, I am French, part French. Yep. Looks lovely, guys. What do you think? Do you think it looks lovely? Who's that? Oh, hello. How are you? Hello, Miss Penny. Nice to see you. Miss Penny, Irene. Oh yeah, my first cousin Hannah, when I lost Sinara. Oh, cuz, I love you so much. And Malay as well. Yes, equally. Love you guys so much. And I know you're learning, you know, from my cooking, so now you can make the everything sauce. You know, when your darling is at work and you rush home and get you into some seafood, since New Zealand is like heaps of beautiful seafood over there. Yeah. And then you can do your fellas everything sauce, or anything sauce is anything sauce. And then you guys sit down, have a glass of wine, and share your fellas beautiful seafood. So, just cooking this through, and when it's cooked, we're gonna eat. See, it's too beautiful. This is a good combination. I got French stick, but I left it in the car. Noah, can you go and get the French stick, please? It's in the boot of the car. I know, I bought the bags and I left the French stick. See, I bought the French stick because oui, Frencho. Oui, Frencho. What's her name? What's his name? Noah, go and get the French stick, please.
Noah.
I'm French today. Just cooking this through, guys. And once trying to escape, get back in there. Do not try and escape while we're doing a cooking segment for the viewers. Behave yourselves. It's cooking, guys. Cooking. Ooh. Yep, cooking real good. When you overcook prawns, it becomes like chewy rubber band. Not that it's a bad thing, rubber bands. But you don't. Look at me. The frying pan's over here. The fire's over here. See what happens when people talk too much? I don't know who you're talking about, but yeah. No. Oh, I do not talk too much. Oh, so dark. I look so dark. Not only am I black, it doesn't help. Noah, get the French stick, please. Oh, this looks good, Sharon Lee. Oh. Yeah, some of the prawns are not cooked properly, I can tell. You can just see, do you know? And how would I know it got squashed? Oh gosh. Thank you, son. Yeah, leave it there because it's time to eat now. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Did you have to hold it like that? It's all bent and broken? Let me show you the viewers. Oh no, it's not bent and broken, sorry. See, look at that. Big French stick with a raincoat. The end result. This is the anything sauce. And the prawns. I don't know, I'm trying to do a thumbnail. But you get the French stick and the leftover butter that you didn't use for your anything sauce. You butter your bread with it. And there you go. It's okay, I've already said my prayers, just in case you guys think I did it. So, you dip it into the sauce, and you eat it. Have some, guys. It's a quick meal, but a lovely meal. Oh, heaps of onions, garlic and all that stuff you saw me do. So guys, try it out and enjoy. Wait a while. A simple sauce. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Sorry it's pretty dark out here, even though the sun's going down. 4 PM guys, and I'm still... Okay, fast forward. You guys all take care, Wailoa, and get this, make it, and enjoy it. I promise you will love it. Fast forward. Bye to my cousins in New Zealand, my Uncle Moy, my cousin Peter, and the kids. Oh, and my cousin Blackie. Love you, cuz. Take care.